Rattles Travel Gossip Tea. Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. Opening brief. You what's poppin' FM? It's your travel queen Rattles, coming to you live with the hottest stories. We got not one, not two, but three stories, new, wild, and gutter level funny. This ain't your auntie's travel show, this that real as tea with edges snatched tighter than a TSA line. Let's get it. First brief. East Coast ground stop chaos, Hood edition. On Monday, thunderstorms dropped the mic at JFK, LaGuardia, and Newark, triggering FAA ground stops that delayed over 6,000 flights and cancelled nearly 600. Folks waiting 4.5 hours at Newark. Fam, they aged outer high school waiting for liftoff. Then fam, the sky got a mood swing and left NYC planes stranded like X's on read. People sitting on tarmac like they moved into the airport rent-free. What kind of travel day is this? Second brief. Europe sizzling and train lines slowing. Over in Europe, temps shot up to 46 degrees Celsius in Spain and Portugal, hottest day since records begun. UK train tracks too hot, UK rails slowing trains with speed limits, painted rails white to keep things chill. It's so hot, the rails got baked clean stripes. They slowing down trains like they sticky on blacktop. Y'all out there sweating so bad, you melt faster than your edges in humidity. Third brief. High-speed Spain train back in business. Spain's high-speed line from Madrid to Andalusia went down because a power cable failed, but they revived it Tuesday morning. Passengers were stuck overnight like sardines in a sauna, once again, traveled through hands. Train said, I need a recharge. Passengers got stuck overnight like they free camping. Spain had them in a hotbox while they praying for electricity. Next time, bring portable charger for your ride. Wildcard brief 1. Vegas tourist gets arrested for trying to check a slot machine as carry-on. Shit, only in Vegas we reface a tourist at Harry Reid International Airport tried to check in an actual mini slot machine as carry-on luggage. Sis wheeled it up to TSA, coin tray still rattling, with a straight face talking about it's a personal gaming device. TSA said no ma'am, and security footage shows her arguing for a full 8 minutes about her right to bring luck on board. After refusing to leave the line, they had to escort her off the premises, with her slot machine still flashing jackpot. Y'all, she really tried to bring a casino on Southwest. Like TSA gonna let you carry a whole Little Caesars buffet of luck through security. And what was the plan? Pull the lever mid-flight next to a crying baby in 17B. I know Vegas got people losing their minds, but sis brought a whole casino to the gate. This ain't spirit and slots boo. Next trip, leave the machines in the casino. If your luggage makes sounds, flashes lights, and eats quarters, it ain't flying, carry on. Period. Wildcard brief 2. Metro tunnel mess down under, Melbourne. Melbourne commuters on the Geelong line got hit with suburban chaos, track faults at Little River plus Metro tunnel works forced replacement buses and delays. People waiting 40 extra minutes. Sis, they late to everything. Y'all know that underground drama keeping Melbourne in line, now they transfer to a bus that's slower than your auntie's phone internet. Come on, Metro, fix them tracks. Travel tip of the day. Always check weather and train updates before your trip. Storms, heatwaves, or meltdowns can hijack your whole plan. Fourth brief. Pickup truck smashes into freight train in Pennsylvania. Overnight near Lansdale, Pennsylvania, a pickup collided with a freight train, 2 folks hospitalized, and local rail service halted. That truck had audacity, rolled up and kissed the train like it was at a reunion. 2 peeps went hospital trip, SEPTA said, no, we shut it down, till further notice. Fifth brief. Driver airlifted after vehicle hit by train in Kansas. A car got hit by a train at Harvey, Butler County line in Kansas, driver flew out by air ambulance. Sis couldn't beat the train, it said, choo off. Now he in a chopper faster than my last flight upgrade. Sixth brief. Bridge bombing in Russia derailed multiple passengers. A bridge exploded in Bryansk, Russia, derailed a train, killed 7, injured dozens. Heavy travel delays. Fam, that's not travel drama, that's a full-on action flick. Bridge drop and train flip. You know that vibe ain't safe. Closing brief. Need travel deals that ain't gonna leave you stranded or burnt out? Slide through breathtakinglagoon.com for real drip, no cap. That's Tuesday's travel breakdown from your hood diva, Rattles. Whether flight stuck, rails melting, or trucks crashing, you stay ahead of the tea. Rattles out.
Imagine that just happened.